This is a 2010 Volkswagen CC. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine. Plus, having just come off lease, this vehicle is in like-new condition. Its top features include a turbocharger, a locking differential, a sports suspension, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an independent rear suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. This Volkswagen has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.